This lesson covers Citrix DaaS, the cloud-delivered evolution of the platform that started this entire industry with WinFrame. Citrix now sits under Cloud Software Group, and its architecture splits cleanly between a Citrix-operated cloud control plane and your own resource locations. We'll walk the core components, see where Citrix still wins enterprise deals, and locate the CCAV certification path. Citrix DaaS splits into two halves. Citrix Cloud is the control plane, brokering, licensing, policy, and the admin console, all operated by Cloud Software Group so you never patch or scale it. Resource locations are yours, the actual compute running session hosts, which can be on-premises, in Azure, in AWS, or a mix. This is exactly why large enterprises with existing data center investment can adopt Citrix DaaS without ripping out their hypervisor estate. Every resource location needs at least one cloud connector, and Citrix recommends at least two for redundancy. It's a lightweight Windows Server role that proxies communication between Citrix Cloud and your Active Directory, hypervisor, and session hosts, using an outbound-only HTTPS connection on port 443. No inbound firewall ports are needed, the same reverse connect philosophy you'll see again when we cover AVD networking in Module 3. Machine Creation Services, or MCS, provisions virtual machines directly from a master image against the hypervisor or cloud API. Some legacy estates still run Citrix provisioning, formerly PVS, a streaming-based alternative. Delivery groups are the logical entitlement layer, defining which users access which desktops or apps and under what session type. Citrix Workspace is the unified portal end users log into to see everything they're entitled to. Director is Citrix's monitoring console, giving you real-time and historical visibility into sessions, a breakdown of exactly where logon time is spent across authentication, profile load, group policy, and shell startup, and health scoring across your machines and delivery groups. In larger deployments, it can even aggregate monitoring across multiple Citrix Cloud tenants. Director is your first stop when something in the Citrix estate needs troubleshooting. Citrix's enduring advantage is protocol maturity. HDX has the deepest track record for high-latency links, specialized USB peripherals, and demanding multi-monitor graphics. Because resource locations can stay fully on-premises, enterprises with large data centers or sovereignty constraints get a cloud-managed control plane without moving their compute anywhere. Add decades of operational maturity and tooling, and you get why the largest, most complex estates often retain Citrix rather than replatforming. Cloud Software Group's associate-level credential is CCAV, the standard entry point for Citrix administrators, with CCAV validating skills specific to the Citrix Cloud DaaS deployment model we just covered. Module 7's capstone lesson places both of these alongside AZ-140 and Omnis's OCAH in a complete multi-platform certification roadmap. Citrix represents one end of the spectrum, incumbent, protocol-first, and comfortable staying on-prem. Lesson 3 covers Omnisa Horizon, the former VMware end-user computing line, now spun out on its own. It occupies similar territory to Citrix in depth and maturity, but with its own architecture and its own transition story that customers need to understand.